Have you ever had one idea and thought, is this really enough to make money? What if I told you that one single idea could make you money in 3 different ways, without quitting your job or needing a ton of money to start? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build 3 income streams from one idea using strategies that work in 2025. If you're serious about creating multiple streams of income, you're going to love this. Let's get right into it. Most people think they need 10 business ideas to build wealth, but the truth is, you only need one good idea and the right strategy to multiply it. Let's say your idea is helping people create a monthly budget. It's simple, but it's powerful. And here's how you can build 3 different income streams from that one idea. The first income stream is a digital product. This could be a budgeting ebook, a printable planner, a Notion template, or even a short course teaching budgeting basics. You can sell it on Gumroad, Etsy, Payhip, or your own website. Create it once, sell it over and over. Passive income at its finest. Pro tip: use free tools like Canva or Google Docs to design your product. Add value with your unique voice, experience, or design. Now take that same budgeting idea and start sharing it through content. You can make YouTube videos like how I budget my income, create Instagram reels or TikToks with quick budgeting tips, or start a blog or newsletter. This builds trust and traffic, which opens up YouTube ad revenue, sponsorships, and brand deals. You're not just making money from a product, you're building an audience that pays over time. The third stream? Affiliate marketing. You recommend tools or products that help people budget, like budgeting apps, journals, books, or financial software. Every time someone buys using your link, you earn a commission. For example, you mention a budgeting app in your YouTube video description and get paid $10 to $30 per sign-up. That's money you don't have to chase. Let's recap from one idea, budgeting for beginners. You just created 1, a digital product, 2, a monetized content stream, and 3, affiliate income. And the best part, these streams can run together. Your content promotes your product and both include affiliate links. Most people stop at one income stream. They create a product, post a few times, and give up when they don't see instant money. But the trick is stacking these strategies. The grid of income isn't just about ideas. It's about how those ideas connect and grow. If this video gave you clarity, don't forget to like and subscribe. I post weekly content just like this. Comment below. What idea do you have that could become 3 streams of income? And if you want help turning your idea into a digital product or passive income system, check out the tools I linked in the description. This is the income grid, where we build streams of income, one grid at a time.